Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I will explain you and demo you the process of loading the dishes into the dishwasher to maximize the capacity of the dishwasher. Okay, so let us start with the main trick. Let's say if you have a top like this, you want to load this into the dishwasher. So don't keep it in a flat position, you have to keep it little tilted. For example, if you keep it like this in the flat position, it will take a lot of space. So instead of keeping it like this, you have to keep it tilted like this. So let us understand how this trick works. So you see there are two baskets. This is the upper basket and there is a lower basket. Okay, each basket has a spray arm. So this is the spray arm. You see, bottom rack also has a spray arm. So this is a spray arm for the bottom rack. Okay, water comes from the spray arms. There are a lot of pores you can see. So the point is the water comes from the bottom. So this utensil, you see it is little tilted. If I keep it like this, like 90-degree, then obviously the water won't enter in the inner surface. So this is not the right way. But if it is little tilted, like let's say 20-degree or 30-degree, then it is more than sufficient. The water will enter in the inner surface and it will do the cleaning. Okay, now let us repeat the same trick with a few other utensils. For example, this bowl. If I keep it like this, then gone. A lot of space gone. Instead of keeping it like this, we have to keep it tilted. So let us see. You see? And even if you're keeping it like this, here, let's say there is no choice, you have to keep it like this. Then the next bowl should come tilted like this. So you see, there is enough room for the water from the spray arm to enter inside this utensil, this bowl, and it will be able to clean it. So like this you have to do. So don't keep the utensil in a flat form. Just you have to make sure that there is a tiny space for the water to enter inside the inner surface. So if I keep it like this, obviously the water will enter inside the inner surface and it will clean it. But even if I keep it like this, that's good enough. Okay, the water will enter from here and it will be able to clean. Now the second tip is, when you're keeping the soiled utensil, you have to keep it in a wet form. Let's say if you are keeping it for the whole day and end of the day you're loading into the dishwasher, so for the rest of the day you should keep the utensil little wet. Either you keep the utensil into the sink, so they will automatically be wet because we keep using water in the sink. If you are keeping the utensil into a basket like this, then you have to make sure that there is some residual water so that the utensil remain little wet. When they are wet, the cleaning becomes easier because the stains and all the spots will be weaker. Okay, now the third tip is, before loading the dishes into the dishwasher, you must rinse them. There should not be any residual food, and also the utensils with the extra tough spots. Let's say if a top which you have used for 3-4 times and there are extra tough burning spots, so better you scrub them first before loading into the dishwasher. If you build an habit, it's no big deal. Okay, there are hardly one or two such utensils which you need to scrub, and it doesn't take more than 10 seconds. Okay, I'm not asking you to use the detergent and wash them. Just use a scrubber and scrub them. It will make the job for the dishwasher easier. Okay, now the fourth tip is, for the upper rack you should set it to the maximum height. So let me show you. You see there are two heights, this one and this one, and it is set to the maximum height. So once you do this, there will be huge headroom for the lower basket. So you can use the bigger utensils in a tilted form. Let me show you one example. Let's say this pressure cooker, if you want to load, and we want to load in a tilted form. So you see, it's not obstructing the upper spray arm. Okay, now the fifth and the last tip is, don't use this cutlery basket. If you use it, then this cutlery basket itself take a lot of space. Instead of using this for the spoons and all, let's say this spoon, you can keep it like this. So you see these utensils, this basket is full, overflowing. Okay, and there are two big utensils there also, pressure cooker and one top. And let me show you these. All are odd shaped utensils, and with my experience I'm telling you, these utensils will easily fit into this dishwasher. So let me quickly load few utensils and then show you the situation. Okay, so I have loaded few utensils. Let us see the situation. So few spoons here, okay, two forks here, and This side full of glasses, okay, and a few bowls here, few bowls there, and these are pressure cooker caps, two caps, two lids, and bottom three big utensils and few plates. Still there are few to go, so let us see this. Few tops, few plates, few bowls, few spoons, okay, and space, you can see there's a huge space here. The tops will go here easily and the bowls will also go easily, okay, and few tops and the plates will go at the bottom. So let us review again. I have loaded few more bowls, okay, wherever there is a gap I have put, and also few plates wherever there was a gap I have put, and at the bottom few more plates. And now these are the only remaining utensils. So once I load this, you won't be able to figure out what is where. So these are things which I'm going to load right now. So let's do it, and let me show you the space. There's a space here, okay, good enough space, and bottom also there's a huge space, and for the spoons and all, anyhow these shelves are there. Okay, so let us do the final review. So it's all full pack, all the cutleries, and these are the big utensils. You can see there is enough gap from where the cleaning will happen. Same for this, there is enough room beneath this also. Now let us see the bottom one. So this is the bottom situation. There is still some room here. Here also we can keep the big utensils, the plates, trays, whatever we have. Although there is nothing more to load right now, but still there is a scope to load more utensils. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.